how are you? I'm Lincoln, and today I'm gonna tell you in 60 seconds why you need this Godox TL30 light if you're a photographer or a videographer. Number one, it's tiny. You can put this behind a subject, you can hold it while you're taking photos or videos. Number two, it's got magnets built into the back of it so you can mount it to anything metal so you don't have to hold it if you don't want to. Number three, you can use the Godox app to run it. See, and you've got all these different settings. It has a whole bunch of different effects, RGB cycle, you can fake a photography flash, laser, lightning.
Broken bulbs, TV, candle, fire, fireworks, police car, fire truck, ambulance, music.
It's got a ton of built-in effects. It's also got full CCT control from 2500 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin. It's got like 3600 colors that you can make and pick from. You can also change the brightness of it, make it brighter, softer. It's a really powerful light. Came with a wrist strap that screws in to the top or the bottom. It comes with this clip that you can use to put on a stand or a tripod that just kind of clips around it. I love these so much. It also came with a waterproof bag so you can submerge this in water. It also came with this grid that you can direct the light better from it. This, in my opinion, is one of the best tools a photographer or videographer could have in their kit right now. It's super lightweight. It weighs less than 2 smartphones. You can throw this in your backpack, take it with you anywhere because it's rechargeable by USB-C. I'll have a link down in the description below. Go and pick yours up today. Please like this video if you liked it. Also subscribe so you never miss any of the reviews that we have coming out. I'm Lincoln. Thanks for watching.